Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hi, hello. My name is Nufan. So today I will be talking about the CPU. Come over, Abby. Come here.
So this is the CPU. CPU is the main brain of the computer, and then CPU function to things, decide and processes everything in the computer. So without CPU, computer cannot function at all.
That's all from me. I will pass to the next member. Bye.
Good morning, my name is Muhammad and I will be explaining about the motherboard. So come here and let's take a closer look. So essentially what the motherboard function is, it acts as three main points, which is it serves as the brain unit or mainly the coordinator of the whole ecosystem of the personal computer, which connects to the what this is called the CPU. CPU act as the brain, but the motherboard gives the PC a more structure for the coordination of the components. So here's it also takes the power, the raw voltage power, and turns it into electrical surge to convert into the whole ecosystem of the computer. And lastly, it also regulates the BIOS of the entire firmware of the system. So that is all about the function of the motherboard.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Raizan bin Naki, and today I'll be talking about RAM, which is random access memory. So random access memory is a temporary memory that stores data and programs that being used in the computer. So there are different types of RAM, which is there are three different parts. So that's all. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Ashani. So today I'm going to explain what is hard disk drive.
So hard disk drive, also commonly known as HDD, is an internal or external storage device that stores the data such as the operating system, the application, and also the user file. And HDD is non-volatile, which means that it retains the stored data even when the power is not being supplied.
Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia and today I'll be explaining about the power supply unit. So the power supply unit converts alternating currents into direct currents and make sure it's adequate for the PC functions. And it goes right here. That's all from me.
Hi everyone, my name is Abhilasha. Today I'll be talking about cooling component for the CPU. So as you can see here, this metal is called the heatsink, and this is called the fan. So what the heatsink does is it basically absorbs the heat into the air, and the fan will dissipate the heat into the air. So where it goes is basically it's directly on top of the motherboard, right here. Bye. Okay, so this is the cable is the data cable. The function is to connect the hard drive or SSD to the motherboard. And this is the orange cable. It is the power cable where it connects the hard drive or it connects the power supply to the hard drive or SSD. So that's all. Bye bye.
So now I'll be reassembling the power supply unit. First I will slide it into place, and then from the outside I will be screwing back the screws. Terbalik lah.
And today, come on, let's go. Aduh. Lupa.
Dia dekat cinematic ah.
Sinematik je. Aku dah buka dah. Dah.
Dah.